In today's tutorial, we'll dive deeper into the fascinating world of musical symbols and signs. These are like a secret language in music, conveying important information quickly and efficiently without the need for any words. Now let's go through the key symbols you need to know for grade 1 music. Note that these are different to performance directions, which will be presented in a future video. Let's start with the repeat symbols. When you see a single repeat bar, it signifies that you should go back to the beginning of the music and play everything up to that point once again. This allows for repetition and it reinforces certain musical sections. On the other hand, double repeat bars indicate that you should repeat everything between those two bars, allowing for a more extensive section of music to be repeated. The accent symbol. When you see an accent mark above a note, it instructs you to attack that note with stronger force. By emphasizing the accented notes, you add a touch of emphasis to it within the musical phrase. Moving on, we encounter the symbol known as staccato. When you come across a dot that's placed above or below a note, it represents staccato. This means you should play that particular note in a short, crisp and detached manner. Each staccato note stands out distinctly, creating a punctuated effect within the music. Another symbol you should be familiar with is the pause, also known as the fermata. It is represented by a curved line with a dot placed above or below it. Now when you encounter this symbol, it indicates that you should hold onto the note's duration for a longer period than its actual value. The fermata adds a momentary pause or sustained quality to the note, creating a sense of anticipation or contemplation in the music. Let's now explore the tie and the slur. While these symbols may appear similar, they have distinct purposes. A tie connects two identical notes and tells us to play them as one sustained note. It combines their durations and creates a smooth, uninterrupted sound. On the other hand, the slur connects non-identical notes and indicates that they should be played smoothly, transitioning seamlessly from one note to the next. Now let's explore the crescendo and decrescendo symbols. The crescendo symbol appears as two horizontal lines converging towards the left, indicating a gradual increase in volume. As you encounter this symbol, it tells you to play gradually louder, adding intensity and building up music tension. The decrescendo or diminuendo symbol, represented by two horizontal lines converging towards the right, instructs you to play gradually quieter. It eases the musical tension and adds a sense of release or calmness to the music. Should you be watching this tutorial to take exams in the future, it's essential you understand and explain each symbol in English form during your exam to earn full marks, even if they have foreign terms like staccato. being able to explain each symbol in English is crucial for exam success. Now, symbols are one of the many elements of music theory, but by learning a little and very often, you will become a musical master in no time at all. Here are some of the fundamentals to help you recap on your successful musical journey.